So we have the cupboards. It's from the ceiling to the floor, pretty big. We've got one robe and slippers. Over here we have a safety vault. You can hang your stuff there, tucks or whatever. There it is. Oh, sewing kit. Ooh, that's so neat. And a shoe mitt? Shoe shiner, probably. And a vault and ooh, laundry bags. And a magazine. And then over at the other side of the hallway, we have the bathroom. Ooh, I love this light. It's a magnifier one. Oops. And we got the sink here, a see-through window that you can close the blinds, taking a shower. And then we got a really nice mirror over here. Some tissues, bath towel stuff, body lotion, toothbrushes. Oh, this is fancy. They even have their own pouch. So we got toothbrush and a loofah. I know someone who uses this. I just found out that this thing also has like a drawer compartment. So we've got the what's this? The shower cap, that's what you call it. A nail filer, some cotton pads and cotton buds. And apparently all of their soaps, their soap and shampoo, they're branded Glanvin. So far, it smells really good. And it's like an actual oyster shell. The real deal. So, yeah, that's what's new. And we got some mineral water over here to keep yourself hydrated after you shower. And over at the counter area, we've got a hair dryer. Got some bath towels neatly arranged, and then some like more towels there. And this is a decoration. So we've got the toilet, we've got the shower. Let me just close the door. Oh, so this is where the other robe was. I was gonna request for one because I only saw one just a while ago. And a transparent door shower sort of stuff. Okay. And we have, ooh, yay, portable and a shower head. So yes for the heater. And for the soaps, we've got shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. So the 3 necessities. Looks pretty though. So, and that's it for the bathroom. Now let's go into the room. So you can see most of it anyways. When you go into the room, you see 2 twin beds. So we got upgraded to the luxury club luxury suite or something. And we've got the bar over here. Not so ooh. Wow. I'm shocked. So we've got sweets, candy, jelly beans, garlic nuts, Pringles, some champagne wine stuff, and I don't know, maybe whiskey. I don't know what that glass is for. And mini bottles of alcohol. Oh, so it's a drawer. Ang cute oh! Ang liliit. Parang yung mga display dati sa Brunei. Adorable. And vodka. And over here, an empty drawer. And let's close it up. How do you open it? Wait, hold on. Okay, so we have. Oh, it's one of those fancy ass like home. Oh. Okay. I'll figure it out later. So we've got classical and decaf, and some Coffee Mate creamer. A tiny tea for your espresso and coffee stuff. And we have the mini fridge. There's San Mig and Sprite Evian bottle. Ooh, this is a fancy Evian bottle. It's glass. And Coca-Cola. Over at this side, we've got the okay, it is a pull-out thing. Ooh, the tea. The tea. We've got, okay, hold on. We've got what's this? Flavored fruit. I don't know how you say that, but you can see it. Chamomile, China Zoo Cha, and Assam Milling. This sounds Malay, but it's black tea. And then sugar stuff, stirrers, and the next drawer we have, this is a lot, more than I expected. Oh, so that's the coffee mug. Then what's that? Oh well. And oh, we've got a kettle. And that's it for the mini bar. Let's just open it up so you can get a better view of it. Okay, yeah. So that's it for the mini bar section. And now we're moving on to some decorative stuff. Shelf, TV. Is this functional? Okay, no, it's just design. Papa's already laid down, resting, enjoying his sweet time now. Study table. It looks like an office, like literally how office tables are shaped like, but in a way, hotel kind of stuff. Ooh, dining menu. Yes. So you can have like food ordered to your room, and directory there, and drawers, the normal pen and paper sort of stuff. And over at the side table, there's a emergency flashlight. Okay, yeah. Another pen paper, breakfast in your room, a really cute clock. Di ba meron tayong ganito dati? Similar. F19 back in Brunei. Yeah. And then over here we've got a sofa. It's really cute with some really cute colored throw pillows. And the balcony. We're almost ending the room tour, guys, don't worry. Oh, yes. So that's the view. That's the balcony. Let's just open this up. So bright. So there's a plant that's trying to live. Struggling, looks like it. And we've got the bay over there. We weren't able to get a bay view, but we did get upgraded though, so it's a good thing, I guess, because Papa can see his car from over here. He likes to check on his car from time to time. So we've got both the city view And the bay view-ish. And got some construction going on over there. And another flower at the other side.